What is up, guys? Stan at the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Zoho Mail signature. So first, you need to head over to your Zoho Mail's website, and then when you're redirected to the inbox section here on the right side, you need to click on Settings. After clicking on Settings, you need to scroll down a bit on the left side, and then click on Signature. After clicking on Signature here, you need to enter the name of your signature. Let's say I am giving demo 345, and then you need to enter your signature, like basically type in your signature. So let's say my name is Dan. I will give it as Dan. And then I will select the text and click on this B to make my signature bold and click on this I to make my signature italic. And if I want to change the font style of my, let's say signature, I'll give it as Calibri. And as you can see, the font style has been changed. Now I want to increase the font size. I'll give it as 18. And as you can see, the font size has been increased. Now I want to change the font color. So let's say I am giving it as this light blue. And as you can see, the font color has been changed. So when you are done, you just simply need to click on save to save it. And this is how you can add a signature. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.